I hope you all are fine and happy. Okay, G. So let's get towards our work. Today we will do lesson summary of Unit 2. Take out your science notebook. Hurry up. Take out your science notebook and ready the page like me. लास्ट टाइम हमने कोर्स कंटेंट राइट किया था ऑफ मंथ अगस्त, लेसन 2, लेसन 3. सो टुडे वी विल डू द लेसन समरी ऑफ लेसन 2, लाइफ साइकिल. रेडी द पेज विथ मी. राइट डाउन द डेट. टुडेज डेट इज 10/8/20. CW and day is Monday. MONDAY, Monday. After this, give heading of lesson LESSON, lesson is 2. The name of lesson is life cycle. Give gap and write down life cycle, LIFE, life, CYCLE, life cycle. Hurry up. Give the heading. After this you have to write lesson summary. L must be capital. LESSON, lesson, one finger gap, then summary, capital S, then write down SUMMARY, lesson summary. Hurry up, ready the page like this. I am waiting for you all. Shabash, ready the page like this. Open your cameras, all of you. Good. Shabash, give the heading. Okay, G. After this, I am starting. Choose the correct option. CHOOSE, choose the correct option on textbook page number 14. After this, question 2 on textbook page number 15. Okay, hurry up, write this. Hurry up, write this, बच्चे. Choose the correct option on textbook page 14 and question 2 on textbook page 15. After this, write exercise exercise, exercise. Then in commas, write try this on TB means textbook, page 15. Shabash, write it and write it neatly, okay? After this, question answers. question, question. Then slash answers, ANSWERS. Question answers, one finger gap, colon, and then right we have 5 question answers. Shabash, write it down. And the last one is diagram, DIAGRAM, diagram. One finger gap, colon, we have 1 diagram. Shabash, do this. I will also share the picture, okay? शाबाश, डू दिस बच्चे.
आवाज आ रही है लेकिन वो नहीं आ रही.
करिए बच्चे, कंप्लीट दिस वर्क. Tomorrow inshallah ta'ala we will start question answers. Choose the correct option. Question 2 plus exercise. Try this. We have done it on our textbook. Okay ji. So the time for the class is over. I will share the picture, okay? Allah Hafiz.